Hello folks, welcome to late night walkie talkie. I'm actually making my way home. Now, what I wanted to talk about, and this is all hums aside, he can do one for a minute. Right, tonight we had quite a substantial windstorm. Was there ever any news coverage or whatever? Nah, was a fuck. Right. Less than a week ago, well, 4 days ago, it was all this, batten down the hatches, bloody storm Kathleen is coming, we're going to get snow, we're going to get blizzards, we're going to get horrendous winds. That didn't come to anything. But what about down south? No, that was a different storm entirely. Not very much information was given about it pre-arrival. Now, there have been other storms that have came from the boat out of blue nowhere, and it has been quite hard to handle, etc. Like fences falling apart and people getting decked to the ground with the winds, i.e. larks. Right, these times before, no warning whatsoever. And what is this? Is this a error on the weather person's side? No, it's actually the mainstream media. And I don't want to go down the tin hat thing, but there is a big inescapable truth in regards to what we get told and when and why. And this nasty corpuscle of a windstorm that we had tonight wasn't told to us strategically. It's just absolutely, we should be first in line for information rather than second or third place, or being told complete lies in the first place. I'm not a conspiracy theory type, might add, but we're obviously getting put on the back burner for pretty relevant and much needed news. Anyway, I'm going to end it now. I'll send all my love to y'all, and yeah, have a good evening.